Everybody, welcome to my channel. It's a very gloomy day. First, my name is Janie. If you're new here, I do videos on Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Sanrio, basically anything and everything that I consider to be cute. And sometimes I sprinkle in some skincare and hair care videos. So if you like that kind of thing, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps this channel out. And yeah, let's talk about this Squishable membership. So Squishable is a brand that sells stuffed animals, various sizes, very cute themes. Usually they're very cutesy. They have eyes and smiles, and there's like food ones, there's animal ones, pretty much anything you can think of. I have a gumball machine one that I recently talked about. So they have a membership called the Squee Club, and I decided to enroll in it. I'm going to pull it up on the screen so you can see with me. This is what it looks like. It's $29 a month. It says here, you love Squishables. You keep 7 on your bed and rotate them so each gets evenly cuddled. You give them for birthdays, weddings, and the occasional knighting ceremony. Your web browser is displaying a Squishable.com page right now. You deserve to raise your Squishable experience to the heights of the scrumptious luxury. Welcome to the Squishable Quantum Ultimate Executive Experience, or Squee Club. Join us behind the Squishable.com velvet rope. You have some bubbly. This is the ultra premium awesomeness that they're talking about. Unlimited free shipping for a year to any destination in the 48 states. Super exclusive service and support from the little panda, I'm not saying his name, and then special deals only for Squee members, which is interesting because Squishable tends to have a lot of deals in general. They'll do 20% off, they'll do 30% off. Sometimes if something is getting discontinued, they will do 40% off. That's the highest I've ever seen in terms of discounts for Squishables. So it's interesting that they say that there's special deals only for the members. And to thank you for joining, you get a coupon good for 20% off your next purchase, not valid with any other coupon, so you can't stack them. Any Squee only welcome mystery micro Squishable. It's on its way to your shipping address now. Hang it from your rear mirror of your yacht to signal your membership to the other members of the upper crust. I have it already, and it's not cute, but that comes down to personal preference, unfortunately, but we're going to get into that in a second. Also, note the number of Squee memberships available are limited, so plan accordingly. Like getting a diamond amulet for the change in your pocket, but cuddlier. Yeah, they're very silly with their writing, but I think it's cute. So yeah, free shipping, a members only little micro Squishable, random deals, and then the little panda. So you do get like a different point of contact if you're having any issues. I guess it's more direct than their normal customer service. I haven't tried it yet. There are some good reviews for this service from people who really like it and feel like it's worth every penny. So I did in fact do it, and I'm gonna pull up my receipt because it is taxed. Let me see. I guess this is something that they mean. I did get an early access email about all 15-inch Squishables and comfort foods are $29 as opposed to their $45. All minis are $15.99, and pretty much everything else is super on sale. I didn't even see this. It might be getting filed in their junk. Let's do that price breakdown. So it was $29 for 1 year, and the tax was $2.57. So that made my total to $31.57. My Squishable little keychain took like a week to get here, and that is what we're going to talk about now. Let me go get it. Oh, it came in this giant mailer, no papers, no nothing, just the keychain, and here it is. I really don't like it, but I will give them props for it being something somewhat unique. So let's open it. Ugh, my battery's about to run out. Oh no. Let me do this quick before you die on me. Alright, here it is. It's okay. You know what? It looks better out of the packaging. So I thought these are legs, but I thought these were like muscular arms. Like, obviously I didn't think we were going for an accurate depiction of a frog. But now that I have it outside, I can tell that that's just the legs. So I feel a lot better about this. And I guess it's an exclusive. Like, I kind of don't believe that, to be honest. Maybe we should just check the website really quickly and see if I can find it, even though my battery is about to die. This is a, oh, I think it is exclusive. It's a micro Squee yellow frog. Or maybe the size is what's exclusive, like it being a keychain version. So it is exclusive. This lovely micro yellow Squee frog can only be ordered by Squee Club members. That's cool, I guess. Anytime I've ever checked the Squishable website, their membership has always been available. So I know they're saying it's a limited number of people. I don't know if that's like a selling tactic to get you to like buy it in case that offer is no longer going to be available, or if it's true, it's just not a lot of people have done it yet. I don't know, but that's my first introduction into the club. I'll be placing a couple orders in the next couple of months. I want the pigeon. I don't remember. I think I have a Squishable wish list somewhere, so I'll link that if I find it. But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you would ever try something like this, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye.